In this video, we will learn how to draw the best fit line correctly. The best fit line that you draw should be a solid straight line less than 1 millimeter in thickness and without any kinks or feathering. What we mean by kinks is, let's say you draw the line and then suddenly there's a jerk in the line. That is a kink. Okay, so it should be a solid straight line without any jerks or kinks. And feathering. What we mean by feathering is, let's say you draw the line once and then you draw over it. Now what happens is at some places the line is thick and at some places the line is thin. That is what we call feathering. So it should not have feathering. The thickness of the line should be less than 1 millimeter. Second point, the line should be close to as many points as possible except any anomalies. The line you draw should be close to as many points as possible above as well as below the line. Okay, there should be an equal number of points on either side of the line. Again, the total number of points above the line should be equal to the total number of points below the line. This is all excluding any anomalous points. Okay, so when we are drawing the best fit line, we are not considering any anomalous points. Then the total distances of the points above the line should be equal to the total distances of the points below the line. The total distance of points above and below the line should be the same. And finally, it is best to use a 30 centimeter long transparent ruler, because you have to see how many points are above and below the line that you are going to draw. If your ruler is opaque, you may not be able to do this correctly. So make sure you have a 30 centimeter long transparent ruler. Why we say 30 centimeter or a foot ruler is because the grid, the graph paper that you have is the size of an A4 paper. Now if you use a 15 centimeter ruler, then you can't draw the line at once. You may have to use the ruler twice and that can cause kinks in the line. So that's why we have to use a 30 centimeter long transparent ruler. Now let's look at an example. Okay, in this textbook you can see the best fit line is drawn. Now you can see the thickness of the line is less than 1 millimeter and we have 3 points above the line and 3 points below the line. So the total number of points above and below the line is the same. Then the total distances of the points above and below the line is also approximately the same. So here you can see if you add this vertical distance plus this, it should be equal to the total distances of the line points below the line. This distance plus this vertical distance plus this. The last point what we talked about is the line should be as close to as many points as possible. Okay, now you can see the line is as close to as many points as possible above as well as below the line. And let's look at another example. Now we will check each point. The line should be a solid straight line less than 1 millimeter in thickness without any kinks or feathering. So no kinks, no feathering. It's a solid straight line. Second point, the line should be as close to as many points as possible. Now you can see it's as close to as many points as possible. And the third point is total distances of the point above and below the line should be the same. So if we add this horizontal or vertical distance from, if you can consider it vertically or horizontally. So if you consider this way, this distance plus this distance plus this distance should be equal to this distance plus this plus this plus this. So total distance of the points above and below the line should be the same. And finally, the total distances of the points above and below the line should total distances should be the same. We already discussed that. Then there should be an equal number of points on either side of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the left of the line or above the line, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the right of the line or below the line. Okay, so it meets all these criteria. So this is how you draw the best fit line. If you have any questions, please comment below.